Hello, students. Here we are, paper number 3. I am so excited about this paper. It's going to be about human rights. But as always, I want to remind you that we should move through the steps of writing this paper. And I know it's your last paper and it's your last week of class, and so it is very tempting to want to rush through this, but you are going to produce your best work if you really take the time to go through these steps. So first, it is important to understand the topic. As I said, the topic of this paper is human rights. We have been exploring this topic in class in regards to immigrants and immigration. So the topic of this paper is human rights and immigrants. In class, we have been exploring what rights are, why they are important, and how rights, these freedoms, come with a responsibility. So now you will be developing these ideas as you answer the questions that are outlined or described and explained below. Remember, it is very important not just to understand the topic, but to follow the directions for each paragraph, or else you will not get full points. Okay? So you will be doing a pre-writing activity to help you brainstorm and organize your ideas. It will be the same one that you did for paper number 2. It's the same organization chart that you will be filling out. And as a reminder, you need to use evidence, class sources. You need to include class material in your facts, examples, and quotes. So you must use the distance between us and at least 2 other sources from class. You are welcome to use more. Absolutely, you can use more if you would like to. That is the minimum requirement. And I want to remind you, some of you are still having problems writing the titles of articles, books, and videos correctly when you use them in your paper. I want to remind you, I give you a list of all of our class sources here. They are written correctly here in this list. So if you want to check to make sure that you're writing your titles correctly, look at this list and make changes if you need to. Notice the only title that is italicized is the book, The Distance Between Us, and there is no quotation marks on this. All right, so that's just a good tip. In my next video, I will explain how you will organize this paper and what will be in each paragraph.